Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
America.
Number 4.
America. So I stopped out here at the old Junk the Gyms and checked out all the progress that they made while I was in Florida. They've made a lot, a whole lot. And, you know, typical homesteader fashion, you know how we do. I come over here to shoot the breeze, you know, sit back and tell a couple lies, and Gary's like, let me put you to work.
That's how it goes. You go to Come On Mountain, you're gonna go to work. So
every time. Basically, he don't have a truck running right now, and he's got that big old trailer full of tools over there that he wants to get back by the shed.
Yep.
And it just so happens that I got the old Chevy with me, but I didn't have my reese hitch in because I dropped off lift, and my trailer, or Gary came and got it, stole my tractor while I was gone to be able to work on their road while I was out of town. So he's also got my reese hitch because, well, he didn't have the right size balls. So he took my balls.
His balls were too little.
He had the little ball. He needed a big ball for that big trailer. But Gary's got a 4-way just like I got. Actually, here, which is kind of cool. And we're going to put this on and trailer over there and go ahead and get it backed up to there so he can start pulling all of his tools out and put them in his nice little shop. They got some really cool buildings around here. Game changer, game changer.
Yeah, that's gonna make a huge difference.
Hold that.
All right.
And I'm gonna put this back on. Because, you know, I was in the city and people like to take things.
Yep.
So I have to have the lock one. Bad thing is it's a pain in the butt because you gotta do stuff like that.
So you see the big old trailer over there. Wiley got it into there because we didn't have enough of that cleared yet. But now that we've got that cleared, now we can get it back over there to the shop and start putting it in.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull around and back up to it, and you can meet me over there.
Okay.
And you're the cameraman.
I am cameraman today. Tis official. I'm the official cameraman today. So we probably need to take the air compressor over, which I just happen to have sitting out here, because we got to use the air jack over there. Because needless to say, it was sitting out for so long, and the electric jack decided not to work anymore, and then we tried to put the hand crank jack on it, and it didn't want to work anymore because I left the cap butt right here. We took the cap off one day because I didn't have a battery on it, and this to say it's gotten all corroded down in there, so I can't use the jack anymore on it. So we got to get from there, and we're going to take it back over there to the shop to where I can get to it. David's truck should be able to pull it back around there, not a problem. And see if we can get her in there. Here he comes. Let's we'll guide him back here. Oh, oh. All right, we're gonna have to raise her up. I'll let David put you on a
cameraman.
Let David put you on a pause so I can get the jack and stuff and get it over here.
Oh, we got a jacket. There's always an extra. Now we're jacking. Now we're jacking. Look at this little guy. They got it parked out pretty nice out here. You know, I might have to do something like this here real soon. Coming soon. So I kind of threw a hint on what's coming yesterday, and well, the same guy that just did all of this for them is going to be at my house Sunday to do a walk around, and I will be bringing a dozer to Come On Mountain on Monday, and we're about to change the mountain big time. Big time. The kind of bolt-on type warranty for Uber is expired, and I still have the drivetrain warranty. So I'm trying to use Uber more as a tractor now instead of a dozer.
Right.
So the guy gives pretty decent rates, and I just walked all of this, guys, all of it. I walked everything that the guy did. I just walked and looked at, and basically he seems to do pretty good work. So I'm gonna hire him for a couple of days there on Come On Mountain. And we're about to do a lot of clearing that I've been wanting to get done for a while. It would take me and Uber months to do what he can do in about 2 days, and I don't have to deal with the stumps. And that's the big thing for me with my backhoe bucket and stuff messed up. I don't want to have to dig out all those stumps. I want to be able to just push everything over. So that's what we're doing. We're bringing a dozer to Come On Mountain. I've been inspired by Tim and old Gary there. Those dozers make quick work of it. Me and Uber can get it done, now don't get me wrong, but it'll work us both quite a bit, and time is the issue, because I'm wanting to get a certain area cleared out and done, because I plan on putting the shop up that we took down last year before winter. So I need to get a slab poured back there and get the pad laid and all of that stuff. So fastest way for me to get going on that is bringing a dozer, get the whole area cleared out, leveled out, and I can start doing my thing. Look at there, we got one of them fans gonna work. Oh, we need air. You need air, Gary. You gotta have air, buddy. Let me back away from the compressor so it ain't so loud for you guys. But yeah, basically we're gonna move the trailer from there to there, because he wants to be able to get it over there by his shop. It's going to be a little bit of a maneuver in what's happening, but that ain't no big deal. I'll put it in there where it needs to go. Oh, say good morning. I've actually been here for about an hour and a half. I've been working on cleaning the tiny house from me putting all the poison and stuff down. I've had to clean the walls, everything in the cabinets, rewash all the dishes, just all kinds of stuff. And so I've been working on that for the last day and a half. Worked on it until pretty late last night, and I still got a little bit more to do. I'm about halfway done with the kitchen, and that's the last room. So I came over here, stopped by when I was on my way to the store to go get me some go-go juice, and decided to oh, gotta pull forward, stop in and see their progress. Oh, and turn my radio off. Copyright. All right, let's see here. Got a little more ways to go. Now you can bring it down. Gotta love that air-powered jack. Just a little bit, just a little bit. I'm having to hold the brake right now. Why he, there we go. I feel it coming down. He's getting bit by mosquitoes right now. Okay, he's at war. He's at war with something. He's having troubles. Alright. Should be good enough now. I can check on it. You gotta go down. There you go.
Wasp got over there and got me.
I had to rule kick it. Sometimes you gotta rule kick it, Gary.
That damn wasp got over there and got me.
Yeah. We seen you back in the camera. I said he's getting attacked.
Yeah.
He's getting.
Good too, boy. Little communist.
All right. So, how do you want me to weave it back here? And exactly where do you want it?
Trying to get me.
So, what door are you wanting it at? This front door right here?
Yeah. Or just anywhere close to the. I'm thinking.
Well, we're going to be getting some weather, so you want it pretty close because
Yeah.
then you can kind of work on it while we got bad weather.
You want to just back it in right there?
I could probably get it right over there by the door. If that's where you want it.
Where do you want it, Gary?
Yeah, I mean, by that door would be ideal.
If we can get it right here, where the back's by that door, where all you got to do is go out and in.
Can we get through here, though?
Oh, yeah. I can come right there, right through here.
Think you can get right through that?
Yeah, I mean, that. Do you have like a little lopper or something? You can take
Yeah.
that one limb off right there?
Yeah, we can take a couple of them off real
Yeah.
fast.
Probably just this one. Right there. See, guys?
Yeah.
That one right there.
That one is pretty low anyway.
That one's pretty low. All right.
That
Yeah.
damn burn wasp got me.
Oh,
He's a
there-
communist wasp, I swear. He's
Well.
Russian.
We'll try to work it out. All right. Turning the camera back to Gary. He's going to turn into my cameraman, and I'm putting. Oh, got some sheds.
Yeah, there's a whole pile of bones over here from it.
Uh-oh. I have to start calling you the bone collector. Yeah, we'll probably need to move all the stuff you just put out a little bit further away. I already got one. Ah. Oh, shit. It was still plugged in. I just need it slid a little bit so I can pull up and get closer to that tree right there so I can make that turn. And we'll get this joker moved. Yeah.
Alright.
All right, here you go. Keep her recording. The people want to work with us, Gary.
Alright. Work with us. Alright, Mama got the loppers over there. Alright, so Mary's going to be the camera woman here in a minute. So I can get the branches.
Yep, I can't reach that.
Alright. So Mary gets to be the camera lady.
Alright, we're gonna take out that. Down. Awesome. So we're going to go through those trees.
This is going to be the hardest part, making this around this right here.
See if we can get this done. It's coming. She's doing a great job. I think he's gonna try to go through those two stumps. Yeah, you want to go to your, yep. See if we can get behind him and maybe he can have a certain eye view of this. You're good.
Sorry, wasp got me. Right in there, good.
Alright, y'all.
Sweet.
He didn't know that he had the right man for the job on that one. I can back up trailers better than most people can drive forward. I have hauled many a trailer around the country back when I had my steel company. Yep, that right there will work out. I can get it further back if you want. Oh yeah, you got a ramp. Okay, yeah, you got that fancy trailer. I'm wanting to get me one of these box trailers about a 20 foot and turn it into a sleeping quarter in the front and a toy hauler in the back and make that my little RV situation.
Oh, that'd be nice.
So I can take my Harley and four-wheeler and I want to take on my adventure with me.
Yeah, that would be definitely handy.
And then make the toy hauler section, make it where shelves and stuff will fold up against the wall.
Okay.
So when I pull all this stuff out, I can turn it into like a little kitchen and all that other stuff. That's the goal. I've been thinking about like RV or something like that. I feel like that'd be the best thing for me with all the stuff that I have. So.
Yeah. You can put a lot of it.
All right, guys. I think that's going to be about it. It's almost 20 minutes on this one. So y'all got to work with us today, which is kind of cool. Kind of cool.
Yes. Thank you, David.
Hey, no problem. Might as well. He said he wanted to do it. I'm like, well, might as well do it while I'm here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You know, because to catch me again, you know how that is. Oh, he sprung a leak. You letting all your air out, Gary?
Too much to carry at one time.
Well, you should have told me you was carrying something. I could have helped you.
I still gotta get the power to burn.
Oh, I got that. I'm on it. I'm on it, Gary. Hold on, we're not done working yet. Feel me? Tighten up. How much money you think I got in this trailer? Let's go. There's the target. That one's a lot lighter than my little power one. I actually gave my little one to my brother and sister-in-law whenever I was in Florida for their boat. They really liked it when we took it out and used it. So They were so kind to me and did so much for me when I was down there. Decided to give a little love back. See, now, to be fair, Gary wouldn't even have needed this if he wouldn't have let all the air out on the way over.
Well, I'm debating on having you straighten her up and get her back there a little further now.
Oh, now you...
Yep.
See, now, see how he is? Leave him over here thinking too long.
That was Mama's making me change the mind.
Oh, Mama making the change of mind. Well, we know who really runs it.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if we can get that thing a little more square on the building.
I can get you whatever you need, boss.
Yeah, try to go this way.
Okay.
So we can actually kind of see that because of the camera.
Okay, whatever works, sure.
Awesome.
Put you to work.
All right. I could do this. Oh. Hold up. Oh. Gary.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, now we can.
There we go. Straighten it up. There we go. There you go. Straighten it up. Straight back.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
There we go. Is that good? A little more, Mary, or what?
Let's see.
Oh, the camera's got a good shot right there.
Let's see. I think
I can see
we are good. We are good right there.
Ladies' approval.
Yep, that is good.
Stack it, pack it, and rack it.
You got it.
Oh, hey! All right, for real this time, guys. I'm out of here. I'm out of here before the boss lady changes her mind.
Nope.
You know how it is, you know, like here, move that couch 2 inches that way, right? And then, oh, nope, 2 more inches back the other direction. And like, we just came from there. Yeah, but that was 2 1/4, right? It ain't no different out here in the yard, guys. I'm gonna need that trailer 3 inches over there to the left, please. Thank you.
It looks perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, I love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody today, guys. Take another step closer to your goals, but definitely keep it real. Come on.